The boys will be pretty keen to get going.
All right, so this is a big truck that's now coming into the log fan. His steering lock is limiting him. He has got a hydro steer on the front end, so getting lock to lock is pretty straightforward. So here he goes up into the log fan. Now it's the log that he's about to come up to that is where they have the grief. Right now, this log here, if he's going to have trouble, he'll have it on this log. Another big hit there. So he'll back up. And here he goes again.
All right, we had, come on boys, let's go, from the man himself, Tony Price, main manager for this whole event. Lovely chap. And the team that he just said, come on boys, let's go to is team Downside Up, 57? Yep, 57. These guys have just recently purchased this car. You may remember it, the old Team Home Brand MQ Patrol. It was red. I can't remember the other colours on it, but I know it was red. I think it came from Queensland. Think?
We're going with it, mate.
Okay,
We're going with it.
It's a pretty basic rig, this thing. I'm guessing via the reverse there, he doesn't have disconnect, or forgot that he has it.
So it looks like this is possibly the first Tuff truck for these guys. It says here that they've been coming here for some years as a spectator and decided to take the plunge and see what it's like on the other side of the fence. So, you know, put your hands together for a team who've, you know, put it all out there on the line, built a car and just, you know, have a go.
Oh, absolutely. And I've got to admit, once you come on the other side of the fence, you can't go back.
Yeah.
You just can't go
I'm
back.
sure there's someone out there tonight watching.